I just wanted to show you guys what I sold on ThredUP for my very first consignment box. I sent it in on, I believe in February, and it processed towards the end of March. And I sold my it processed at like the second week of March, because I remember I sold this Ganushka leather bag within just a couple of days. It may have been like within one day. I had maxed out all of my items before it processed, so I priced everything at 80% of what it retailed for. That's how much they allow you to, and it actually sold for the full price. $182.40 was what I got paid out for it. It sold for, let me see, $227.40 or $99. I think this is sold at like QVC or somewhere online. It only retails for about $286. It was a rather large bag, painted bag, beautiful, very, very beautiful. As you can see, it had flowers and feathers and butterflies. It even had some animal print, crazy hair, animal print. It was just really big. Still had the little plastic barbs, so I really don't think it was ever even used. And they said it's gently used with minor signs of wear, minor fading and wear on the bottom. There was no wear or whatever on the bottom, but it still sold for that full asking. So if you ever run across an Anushka bag, yeah, you probably need to pick it up. I only paid $10 for this. I say only, that's kind of paying up for me. $10 for it at a local consignment store that I sourced from. So I was happy with that. So I mean, my payout $182, $10. I made $170. Very happy. And then the second thing I think that sold was this Banana Republic sleeveless blouse. It was like a silk blend. It got pulled for a goodie box. It sold actually for $59.99. That's what I had it listed at. 80% of that retail price of $75. So very happy with that. It was a ruffle collar. My payout, I believe, was $21.60. Yes, $21.60. And then I sold this Claire V clutch. Picked it up at my local Goodwill for like $3. It was just it was little, and it was like a macrame, as you can see right here, macrame, but it was like drawstring. I kind of looked up comps. It doesn't retail for much, maybe like $100. But it sold for $78.99. It was in and out of carts for like weeks before it actually sold. My payout on this was $30. Let's see, $37.45. Happy with that, with the $3 investment. And then I didn't sell anything for a little bit. I was sending in other stuff, getting other stuff ready. I picked up this Wilson's leather jacket at a local consignment store. They had a sale. I don't think it was marked properly. I believe I picked it up at Black Friday. When they had this big sale, there was a miscommunication with the owner and the clerks. They told them everything in the store was like certain percentage off or $1. Certain colors were $1. I don't know. But I picked this up for $1. And they said that it had flaws, that it was faded, but it was meant to be this faded, like multi-brown color distressed look. There was nothing wrong with it. It was gorgeous. But it retails for like $450. I sold it. I didn't have it listed completely as high as what it should have been on the 80%, but I sold it for $150, $199. And my part was $100. I think my payout was $100.59. Whoop, whoop. $1 investment. I'll take that all day long. And then the last thing from this is an Eva Franco dress. So freaking cute. Okay, if I was little, if I was younger, I would have totally wore this. Took a little bit to sell, but it retails for about $167. or at least that's how much they priced it at. I sold it for $76.99. I did drop the price a little bit. Every time you drop the price at least 5%, it notifies everybody who has liked the item that it did have a price drop. I know a lot of people, they typically do at least 10% to make it worth their while. I sometimes just do it randomly, 5%, 10%. It just depends on how much the item actually was originally. But it's so cute. This pink and blue plaid dress looks a little more wrinkly than when I sent it in, but that happens. They don't typically steam the items before they list them. But I did steam it before I sent it to them, but in transit, some stuff happens. Bow front, strapless, so cute. So very, very cute. Very fun. My payout, I believe, was $26 or $28.46. And for some reason on my phone, this disappeared out of my bag after it sold. And I've had several items in my bags that have sold that disappear off of my phone app, but for some reason it's still in my computer. So, but my total payout for all 5 of these items, I think I sent in 19 items and 5 sold, and then I reclaimed 13 total, but the 5 that sold totaled, my payout was $370.50. So pretty happy with that, considering my cost of goods was only about $20 for all 5 items. So yeah, $350 profit. Didn't have to do any of the work other than I create a shipping manifest and I put exactly what the item is, the description, the size, and then I try to screenshot. I tried to take photos, quick photos, if I haven't already listed it before, just so I have an idea of what it looks like, especially the tag, because things have happened with other bags where they put the wrong things. But yeah, so yeah, $370.50. I have other bags that are still active. One's doing well, one's not doing too well. I have several that I need to send in to be processed. I'm just really, really behind because I work so much. But that's more reason that I need to do this, so they'll do the work for me. But yeah, so I've been meaning to do this ThredUP update for a while. I've had this box back, all my reclaimed items back for about a month, and I'm hoping that I won't take so long to do the rest of them. But I enjoy these kind of videos, and I'm hoping that others enjoy them as well. It seems like they enjoy the ones that I've done in the past of what ThredUP accepts and what they reject. And I have heard others saying, oh yeah, I can't wait to see what, give you an update, give us an update as far as what items actually sold. So I'm hoping you enjoy this video too, because it might help you out as far as figuring out what you should send in and what's doing well for me. But these are the very first items that I sold. Yeah, and if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments, just leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.